Nobody's going to tell you this. You have to pay to know this knowledge. So what you're going to do first of all is now go to this website called stakecuts.com. Then you should press this place and then go to marketplace. So here you have all the listed affiliates products that you can affiliate for. So let's go down to something that we know that we just want to start. So if you're a beginner, don't be so carried away with the big fees, because when you're carried away with big fees, it means you have more work to convince higher paying clients to pay for that big amount. So for a beginner, just try to do certain things that you're going to get something in your pocket. So let's go down to let's look for something that we can, let's look for a product that we can affiliate for as a beginner. Let's say let's look for a video editing. Yeah, so video editing mastery. Let's look at how much is it. So it's just 16.7, 50% commission. So what we're going to do now is now to promote. Tap on promote. Then you see this is the owner of the product, and this is where you have your affiliate link, whereby you just copy. Tap on this to copy it. You see you've copied it. Then come to this keep notes, or any notes you have, but I recommend keep notes, because keep notes you can actually keep a lot of things and organize them with keep note, Google Keep Notes. So download that. Then we can just create a new folder here, and then here we're going to paste our affiliate link here. So we're going to label this as affiliates, yeah, link. Now that you have your affiliate product kept one side, now the next thing you have to preach about your affiliate product. So now guys, you need to understand one thing. You can't just jump into affiliate marketing and start making money straight away. So now you need to use the social media to promote your link. Now how do you promote your link? You need to gain authority to certain product that you want to promote. How do you do that? Now you have a TikTok account, or you have an Instagram account, or you have a YouTube account, your YouTube shorts. Now you could use those to your advantage. How do you do that? Now you see, you come to your TikTok. That is, if you have an account, or you have to create a new account. So when you create a new account with your TikTok, you have to make sure that your account is just strictly for whatever you're doing. You can see I am a graphic designer here, so I strictly stick to the graphic design niche that I do. So what you're to do now is, when you create an account, and then make sure you put your account, you put your profile picture, or you put your logo, and be credible. So what you're now to do next is to come to home. Because we are going to be promoting a video editing course, all you have to do is just to look for video editing. See, look for video editing. You can see all these tips and tricks, video editing tips and tricks. What we are now to do is to download them. You can see maybe something like this. You download it by clicking this, and then save to download the video. Then you download it. You can see down here, download. And then when you download it, you keep on downloading a lot more from TikTok. And next, you take all the videos you have saved over time to your Instagram. Let's say you'll be posting videos, maybe 2 videos per day. Just be posting videos, different type of videos that you've downloaded, and be growing an audience there. People that are interested will interact with your content and be saving them, and interact with you. Then what you're going to do next, over time, when you understand that you're starting to get a lot of traction, then what you're going to do is to go to your Instagram bio data, and then you come to this link here. You see this link here, you're just going to copy your referral link and then post it here. Then when you post your referral link here, it's going to appear on your profile page. You can see the link has appeared in my profile page here. You can see it. So then what you're going to now start doing in your posts, your next type of post, what you're going to start doing is, So after people have gotten familiar with what you've been posting, what you're going to now start posting when you on your next post. Next type of post you're going to start posting is you have to edit your video before you post them. Now it's a very simple edit you're going to do. You're not going to start editing your videos whereby you're going to write on your video whereby, okay, if you want to learn how to edit videos like this, link on my bio. If you want to learn how to edit videos like this for a very cheap fee, link on my bio. You get? So now you'll now start to push your audience. You now start to push your followers to your Stay Cut product. And meanwhile, you continue to be posting videos that you downloaded from the internet. If you do things like this continuously, like for months, you stick to one product, guys, you're going to start seeing sales. I am telling you, you're going to start seeing sales.